Oh God.
Green cuts that.
Wow.
Green is in there. What do you think, Dad? I think I imagine she's in there. So I'm pretty happy to see her. What do you think? What do you? Well, is there a cork in there, or is it?
Well, I don't think you can
There it is.
make a decision.
There it is. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You just eat her out. Or?
No.
No. She's right there.
Yeah, she's right there. It's here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Do you want me to get closer?
Sure.
Sure, go for it. They aren't going to sting, it doesn't look like. And she's going in. You want to just close it now?
What, close the whole thing, or we come back tomorrow and shake that thing out? We eventually gotta shake it out.
Yeah. Oh, you want to shake it out now? Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna step back now.
That's her on top, right?
Yep. Okay. Explain now. You get stung?
Nope. Not yet.
Man, lucky you guys. That's not gonna work, Aiden.
Why are you making me shake?
Aiden, you gotta hit it.
I don't have the hands to. And then it's to set off to the side, right?
Yeah. She's going there.
Okay. Set this to the side?
Yeah, but right to the side.
Right next to it.
Right here. Gently. Just twisting these. Okay.
Something on top?
Where's the
Cool.
Two more?
Yep. One is right by my head. This one is attacking me. One moment.
Okay. Ouch.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just got stuck on a stick.
Okay. That one's done attacking me now.
Last one?
Yep. Hang on now. Got on it all?
Yeah, it's on. No, try to put it on square. Yeah.
Let us.
Oh yeah. Experts.
Yep, we are the best.
Okay.
Okay, we're good. And cut.
Thanks, Keegan.